English made easy. Video call explained. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of the term video call. This phrase has become an integral part of our daily communication, especially in the digital age. So, let's dive in and make you comfortable with using it. Stay tuned to become a video call pro. A video call is a telephone call which uses the internet to transmit live video and audio from one place to another. Unlike a traditional phone call that relies only on voice, a video call allows you to see the person you're talking to in real time, as well as hear them. It's a powerful way to connect with friends, family, or colleagues, bridging the gap between distances. Making a video call is simple. All you need is a device with a camera, microphone, internet connection, and a video calling app like Skype, Zoom, or WhatsApp. To start a call, you open the app, select a contact, and hit the camera icon. Within moments, you should be able to see and hear the person you called, provided they answer the call. Video calls can be used for a multitude of purposes. They're great for keeping in touch with loved ones, conducting business meetings, or collaborating on projects with colleagues. They're particularly useful when face-to-face interaction is needed but not possible due to distance or time constraints. When on a video call, remember to be mindful of your environment and how you present yourself. Choose a quiet place with good lighting. Make sure your camera is at eye level for a natural angle. Dress appropriately and be ready a few minutes before the call. Lastly, always test your equipment beforehand to avoid technical issues. That's a wrap on video calls. We hope this video has illuminated the concept and you feel more confident in making and receiving video calls. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, go ahead and make a video call today. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Keep learning, and keep connecting.